Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on Sneakers Unboxing with Moi, and today we're going to be unboxing the women's Nike Dunk Low Vintage in the black and white colorway, so let's get to it. Alright, so here's the box, and let's get straight into it. You want to be careful not to stab the knife all the way through so you don't damage the shoebox. And we'll set this to the side. And so we have our first look at the shoebox. Just a regular Nike box. Let's take them out. All right, so the first thing you're gonna see is just Nike logo on the top, on the sides, on the front, on the other side, and on the back. And then on the bottom, you just have your recycle logos and your Nike logos, trademarks, all that stuff. And the front, we have women's Nike Dunk Low Premium in white, black coconut milk, and the size is 7.5. And so let's see how they look. All right, so this is the first look at the shoe. Here it is. And so one thing that's very noticeable from just the regular retros or just the black and whites is that the midsole is a little bit yellow to get that vintage look, and also all the upper on the leather looks way shinier than the regular Dunk Lows. And I'll show you in a bit the Dunk Lows that I have so you can see the difference. But yeah, it's basically the same thing as every other Dunk Low and black and white. And then the only thing that's different is the midsole and the laces, which are like off-white. It's kind of like a bone color. And so the insole is actually black with the white logo. I don't think you're gonna be able to see it, but I'll do it in the close-up shots. And let me get the other one out so you can see them both together. All right, so here's the pair together. And you guys will get a better look at them when I get the close-up shots. But I expected these not to be laced up when I got them out the box, but they are already laced up, so it saves me the time from lacing them up. And so, of course, I'm a size 9, and I can't put these on to show you guys how the on feet looks, but I'll leave a link on the top right corner so you guys can go check out the Dunk Low. All right, so that's pretty much it about the shoe. And if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. But let me get you guys the close-up shots, and then we can get up to wrapping the video. So let's get to it. Alright, so that wraps up the video for these women's Nike Dunk Low Vintage in the black and white colorway. So once again, like how I said, if you guys have any questions or something that concerns you about the shoe, just let me know in the comments and I'll be more than happy to respond to them. But other than that, I hope you guys are having a good day or night, and I'll see you in the next one.